If you ever have to call 911, do not hang up no matter what. Because I called them for the first time today when I was going for a hike in the mountains and I started to smell smoke. So I looked around and saw a fire starting, but it wasn't that big yet. So I was like, I better call 911 so they can stop it before it gets worse. And without thinking twice, I dialed the number. But for some reason, the moment I pressed the call button, I got super nervous because I've never called 911 before. And I felt like I was gonna get in trouble. So before they answered, I hung up. And instead, I just told one of the people that worked at the mountain that a fire was starting. But then I started to freak out because I thought about how the police probably saw that I called them right while I was next to the fire. So they were gonna think I did it. So then I was like, should I call them back and apologize or what? But I don't think you can just call 911 back. Am I supposed to leave a voicemail or something? I don't